Hello crafters, today I'm back and I'm very excited because I'm going to be filming a 5 minutes card making challenge in which I make a card in 5 minutes, so wish me luck. And actually this is the card I'm going to make, just a little different. I actually filmed this video before, so this is my second time filming it, and I was like 30 seconds left and then my camera stopped working, which is great, and then the bell rang and it was all chaos from then on. So I'm here today and hopefully it's going to work out better today. So I'm just going to start my timer. I'm going to set it for 5 minutes. So 3, 2, 1, go. Perfect. Okay, so today I'm going to be using the Mama Elephant Pandamonium stamp set. I'm going to make a card using these two little cute kissing pandas. And I'm going to use the Kiss Kiss Love You sentiment. I'm also going to use my Misty, and ideally I'd only have to stamp them once, but I find I have to stamp them a few times just to get the level of like opacity that I want. So I'm going to set them in my Misty. I'm actually going to be cutting them, so it doesn't really matter how they're placed, which saves me a little time. Okay, perfect. I'm going to get some Memento Tuxedo Black ink. I'm just going to stamp them. Okay. I'm going to stamp them once. As you can see, they're not great, these stamps. I'm going to stamp them another time. And yeah. And I think that's just going to have to do. Stunning. Perfect. I'm going to put my Misty away and then I'm going to start cutting them out as best as I possibly can in 5 minutes. Actually, not even 5 minutes. So I'm just going to hope it's going to work out well. And of course I'm smudging it a bit. That happened to me last time as well. But look, at this stage we have to just press on, press on. So there's one done. And I'm using my Tim Ho scissors just for comfort, and I really like them. I have a review of these in a cleaning tip. I'll have that carded up here. So, okay, as my cutting is really suffering today, definitely. Normally I try to make it much better, but look, that's all we have. So, then I have that done. I'm going to get out my big shot. I'm going to get on my big shot, that's the workout, and I'm going to cut a little circle. Actually, I need to get another piece of paper because that piece of paper isn't going to be good enough. I'm going to get, oh my god, I have to find some paper. Sorry, I have to find some paper in my scraps. So I just have this bit of paper. This is definitely not going as planned. And I'm just going to cut that out. So much for all my organisation, I guess. And this is the Works die. It's stitched a bit, so that's lovely. Okay, I have to get my big shot. Everything's falling. Everything is literally falling. I'm going to get my card base, but first I'm going to put this piece of paper across my card. And this is just my card base. And I'm just going to get that like that. And then I'm going to put that as straight as I possibly can in the time allocated. I'm going to cut off the ends, and then I'm going to stick down my lovely circle. Oh my god, my big shot just fell, scaring me like anything. Okay, I'm just going to stick that like that, and then I'm going to fold these back, and yeah, and then I'm going to get some masking tape. Actually, I don't know where my masking. Actually, I'm going to get some masking tape just because it's quicker. Ideally, I'd use sellotape. It's downstairs, and I didn't get it. Sorry about it. Then I'm going to use some double-sided, like 3D adhesive, something like that. I don't know what it's called. Some foam tape. That's what it's called, actually. And I'm just going to use that to stick down my lovely little pandas. And oh my god, it's sticking out great. And then I'm just going to have them like that. Perfect. Then I hope we're going to make it. I'm just going to get my sentiment cut out quickly. and I'm going to use the same double-sided tape. And I'm going to stick it down. So I guess that's it. And how much time have we left? Ideally, I have 11 seconds. Okay, I'm going to try put some little stickles on in 11 seconds. Okay, it's done. Wow, that was stressful, I have to say. So, this is my card. It's not my favourite card ever, have to say. It's a really typical kind of thing I would do. I think it's crooked. As you can see, the cutting work is not amazing, but I'm proud of myself. In 5 minutes, I think it's a very good job, well done. And I got the time to put on some stickles, so I'm happy with myself. Okay, that's all for today. If you want me to do more of these, please tell me down below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I really want to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the summer. I know it'll be amazing. It will be really amazing. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.